Okay everybody, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Japanese Type 38 short rifle or a cavalry rifle. And this rifle has led to a lot of confusion from collectors today trying to figure out what it is, and there's a lot of speculation about these. You'll even see some people saying that these are just cut down standard Type 38s and they were done here in the States. Which you can find some rifles like that, but these rifles were officially made for the Japanese military. And so what these are old, for the most part, old Tokyo Arsenal rifles that were refurbished and cut down to a shorter length by the Nagoya Arsenal, and believed to have been done in the 20s or 30s, and basically would be made there, and were made to be used by the cavalry, and they were shortened up and had some changes made to them. The pretty much biggest change was just the length, and they used the same standard bayonet. They worked just the same, and they would still originally be fitted with dust covers, which this one doesn't have. We've also got a Type 38 carbine here to compare it to. And one thing we can show off with this is how the originally the dust covers, they wouldn't have any rattle to them, because all the dust covers would be hand fit. They've just all been lost over the years. But on this one, you can see it's pretty much no rattle from the dust cover if it's a actual matching one. So you can see in comparison to the Type 38 carbine, the rear sight is the same length as the original long rifle. So they didn't change that at all. The sling swivels are still on the underside of the rifle, whereas they're on the side on the Type 38 carbine. And the cleaning rod would be a in-between length, but it would still retain the same way. So you just press this band to release it and you can pull it out. But we unfortunately don't have the fairly rare and uncommon Type 38 short rifle cleaning rod. And these will have been refurbished by Nagoya Arsenal, so they'll have new stock on them, and that's the Nagoya proof mark that will be on the underside of the stock, right there, and other proof marks right there. And also on the officially made short rifles, you can see there's a little bit of a kind of step to the barrel and a gap right there between the barrel band and the barrel. They'll also have front sight protector wings added on. And these rifles are a bit of a mystery as to how many were produced. Estimates I've seen have been, anywhere from 10,000 to 100,000, so really there's no knowing, because they didn't take from a specific serial number range. They just took random rifles and reworked them like this. But nevertheless, they're a really cool and interesting variation of the Type 38. And we're going to see how it shoots today. So pretty much all I have to say about it. So let's get into shooting it some. Alright, we're going to start out 5 rounds set at 100 yards. That's all 5 of them. Alright, here's our group. and shoots high into the left, but that's just kind of how it goes shooting Type 38s, because they have a 300 meter zero. Next time we make some hand loads, we'll have to make them a little bit lighter so they hit on target, but yeah, that's our group. Alright, we're going to load up another 5 rounds. Got a little bit of a hang up there. That sometimes happens with the semi-rimmed ammo. That's all of them. Alright, here's our next 5 rounds. It's another good group. It's just, it's still shooting high and a little bit lower this time, but still behind to the left. But good group. It's an accurate rifle. Just need a ammo that shoots on target. Alright. We've got our Type 38 carbine that we showed in the intro out here, and we wanted to shoot this one to see how it shoots. So I figured we'd just throw it in the video. Knew y'all wouldn't mind seeing an extra arrow socket being shot in the video. That's all 5 of them. Funny enough, we had the exact opposite problem with this one. It shot low and to the left, but a very good group out of this one. Accurate rifle. Alright, we're going to load up another 3 rounds and see how this groups. That's all 3 of them. We adjusted the sights up to 7, but it looks like that was too high, so we're going to bump it back down to 5 and see if we can split the difference. Load up another 3. Try these out. That's 3 of them. Alright, here's our next group. 3 just off to the left of the plate, but looks like we've got it lined up, so at least this one will be shooting on. Okay, everybody, that's going to be it for the video. We had a lot of fun with the Type 38 short rifle. And this video did kind of get hijacked by the Type 38 carbine midway through, but we had a lot of fun with both of them. They're both real nice rifles, and yeah, if you want to see any more out of this one or any of our other airsockets, let us know in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one.